Jimin sit in the room. He is talking on the phone. Jimin once again. I'm so done from this. Taste same bros. Sometime I feel like I am or not. Jimin, they spend most of their time in Jimin. That's the problem. Jimin, that's the problem. Yoongi don't have time for me. Till like Jungkook always stay with me. Jimin, what should we do to give them? Uh, Jimin, there is a problem. I can't stay without him. That's the problem, Jimin. So it's mean we can't do anything expect waiting for them. Yes, Jimin. Okay, you talk with Jungkook when they are coming. Jimin. They said they come in night. Jimin. Okay. I'm so at him. Jimin. No, don't said anything. He come from office. You start all the. It's not good. It's not good. Give him some time. Yeah, when he fresh up, then I give him papers. Jimin King, sometimes it's difficult for me also to believe, but now I have to. I'm so happy in my life until Jungkook called and said they have to go. You know, Jungkook is like my brother, but when he my and moments leave it today again, they go on the. I make something for him. It's help him to release. Jimin is busy in making dinner. He don't care about his surroundings. He lost in his cooking, and then suddenly he feel Jim. He know who is the owner. Jimin, you come. Jimin, go and fresh up. Dinner is almost ready. He looking down at the hand. He see the Jimin. Yoongi, go and fresh up. Yoongi, leave him, and without saying anything, go. Jimin, I'm sorry, Yoongi. I don't want to send you away, but what should I do? I feel scared from the and all this stuff. He signed and complete the food. So yes, Yoongi and Jimin are not spending time because nowadays Yoongi always come home with the and which makes Jimin scared. He always stay away from him. That's why Yoongi is restless and also at Jimin. Yoongi fresh up, he come out and sit on the couch. Jimin know he is not in mood today to talk, so he placed the food in front of him. He don't said anything. He don't set him straight on the dining table. Jimin placed the food in front of him and sit beside him. Jimin, how was your day? Yoongi stay silent. Jimin, Yoongi, I know you are at me. I don't want to do this, but tell me what I do. Yoongi, you tell me. Have I ever? Jimin, no way. What are you saying, Yoongi? Then what's the problem, Jimin? You are literally going away. You know this is the work. How can we stay like this? Jimin, Yoongi, listen. Yoongi, stay silent. He said and start to eat. He never said no to food because he know how much Jimin put effort to make. Jimin knows something happened. Jimin come in the room and see Yoongi sit on the bed while holding his head. Jimin went to him and sit on the bed. He put his head on his. Yoongi, what are you doing? Jimmy, close your eyes, relax your mind. He said, and his hands start traveling in his ears. Jungi feel peace and he calm down. It's really work on him. Whenever he feel what he just want Jimin. He turned and Jimin, what happened? Tell me, Yungi. They run. I tried my best still. Jimin, it's alright, Yungi. Don't take. Yungi, look at him. He hold his hand. Yungi, I'm so sorry. I behave like a. Jimin, it's alright, Yungi. You no need to say sorry. I know something must happen. Otherwise, there is no chance, Yungi. I don't know what good did I did. I get you, Jimin. If you are not with me, what I do? Yungi, yeah, let's sleep. They both lay beside each other. Jimin put his hand. Yungi, Mini, Jimin, yes, Yungi. Uh, what you do whole day without me? Jimin, nothing. I do cleaning sometimes, make lunch or sometimes order, and then after that I am free. I call Trey or many other friend and then dinner. Yungi, won't you miss me, Jimin, more than anything? I feel bored without you. And you know, it's been almost 1 month we spent a whole day together. Yungi, sorry, it's all because of my busy schedule. Jimin, it's alright, Yungi. I understand. Yungi, thank you so much for understanding me. You know what, Jimin? I want to you with my Jimin. You already did Yungi. Yungi, still I did nothing. Jimin, still Yungi. Let's sleep now. Good night. Jimin good night, and they both sleep peacefully. Next day, Jimin is the one who wake up first, and the most shocked thing he see Yoongi. He see the time, it's 9 a.m. Jimin widen his eyes. The time, Yoongi open his eyes, he see the time again. Jimin sleep. Yoongi, Jimin want sorry, Jimin, Yoongi, you have to go office. Yoongi, no, now let me sleep. Jimin, but why? Yoongi, Jimin, I take the leave, now let me sleep. Jimin become happy. Jimin, why? He took leave for me. Jimin smile. Yoongi, if you want me, then I will wake up. Jimin chuckle. Jimin, no, sleep for some times, I will make breakfast. Yoongi, Jimin, leave me. Yoongi, can't you make like this? Jimin, Yoongi, okay. Jimin, Jimin come out, start making breakfast. His phone start ringing. Jimin see the caller ID and smile. Jimin, hey, say good morning. Jimin, say good morning. You know what happened? That double muscle bunny take leave. He is scared from me. Jimin, yeah. I think he got to know I am going to give him. That's why. Jimin, yeah, sure. So what about Junggi? He go office. Said him don't call my Jungkook. He Jimin, he is sleeping in his room. Um, and I'm making breakfast. Jay, wow, he also take leave. Jimin, Jay, Jimin, don't you feel something is suspicious? Jimin means, Jay, they suddenly take leave. Jimin, no, till last time because of you, I doubt on Yoongi. See what we got to know. She's here just to invite her for her. It's just a misunderstanding. Jimin, still you cut the call. Jimin come in the room and see Yoongi still sleeping peacefully. Jimin sit in front of him. Jimin, he is looking like a cat. Don't know. I wake. I don't know. I wake him up. He he go at his cuteness was look like a cute cat. Jimin, Yoongi wake up. He said softly. Yoongi start moving. Yoongi 5 minutes more. Jimin, you already sleep a lot now. Wake up. Okay, Jimin, Yoongi, please. Jimin, more 5 minutes. Jimin, no, wake up. He opened the curtains and sunlight fell on Yoongi. Yoongi, Jimin, what are you doing? Close the curtains. Um, close the curtains. He opened his eyes. And there are a lot of biking. Yoongi, wake up. Yoongi, you know I will win from the whole world. Expect you. Jimin, proud, and moreover, I am the making you. Said while whining. Yoongi sighed and closed his eyes. Jimin, come, breakfast is ready. He said, and Yoongi smiled. Yoongi sit on the couch. Jimin serve him a breakfast. Jimin said Yoongi, what you like in this apartment? I mean, I'm a king. I give you a luxurious life, a luxurious place to live. Why you being stubborn to stay here? Jimin, why you want to know the reason? Yoongi nodded. Jimin listen. He said while feeding him. Jimin, we stay here. We only have one kitchen and living room and one room. Whenever we with each other, we don't have any place except our room, so we stay there. And it makes some minutes, and we solve our matter because we can't stay each other's side. And um, uh, and yes, you make yourself busy in work, but I know you are in front of my eyes. It's enough for me. If we stay there, then you go in your home office. We know we only have that place. I see you from the kitchen. In short, you are in front of my eyes. And if we here, I am speechless, Jimin. I don't know what to say. What I call you. You are an angel. Inhuman, Jimin. I am Jimin, the only of Yoongi, it's true. Jimin, they both do their breakfast with some moments. Yoongi, let's go. Jimin, where Yoongi for shopping? I know you didn't go now. It's been a long time. So come, Jimin. Yoongi, it's alright. Jimin and Yoongi enter in the mall. Jimin see the things, he remember something. Yoongi, listen. Yoongi, what happened? Yoongi, how can I forget tomorrow's Taeyang birthday? Yoongi, really? That's good. Then Jimin, I have to buy gift for him. Yoongi, what you want to buy? Jimin, that's the problem. I don't know. Yoongi, what about jewelry? Jimin, he don't like. Yoongi, watch. Jimin, he don't wear. Yoongi, oh, okay, then dress. Jimin, it's all now. Yoongi, if you want, I buy the whole mall for you. You gift him. Jimin look at him with done face. Yoongi, what happened? Jimin san, Jimin, Yoongi, I'm serious. Yoongi, me too. Jimin, leave it. I will buy some soft toys for him and other things. Yoongi, he's a kid. You buy toys for him. Jimin, you don't know anything and leave it. They are about to go. Jimin see Tae, he smile and they look at him. They leave their hands and hug each other. Tae, yes, any problem? He said while looking at Jungkook. JK, no. Why would I have? I am to create any problem, right? Tae, yes. Jimin, let's sit somewhere. Tae, yeah, actually, I want to talk with you on something very important. Jimin, what is it? Tae, wink at him. Tae, come, I will tell you. He said and dragged Jimin with him. JK, I think we go office. I don't think there is any need of us. Jungi, bro, and let's go. I can't believe him. They all come in the cafeteria. Take cookie. Go bring coffee for me. JK, yes, your highness. He said. He take everyone order and Jungi phone start ringing. Jungi go to attend the call. Jimin, now tell me what you want. He said, you know, not tomorrow is my birthday. Jimin nodded. Let's do prank on them. Jimin, what? Which prank? What prank? Listen me. He explained him everything. Jimin, no, no, Tay, this is not right. Tay, nothing happened, trust me. Jimin, I will, but first, still. Tay, no, still we do, and it's final. Jimin, okay. If you are saying I don't have any problem, Tay, that's my boy. And then Yoongi, come, Yoongi, what you guys are talking? Tay, we are thinking to count stars. Yoongi, wow, that's great. JK, yeah, yeah, then we go on our work. Tay, you know what you go now, you are here. Why you are here? And please don't come on guest time. Come earlier. Yoongi, we come in. We come tonight. Tay, I don't have any problem. Yoongi, okay, guys, we are going. See you soon. Tay, yeah, sure. Tay, we explore something now. He said. Jimin signed and nodded. Next day, it's night time. Jimin thinking something. Yoongi, Jimin, are you ready? He see Jimin is in his thoughts. He went toward him and held his hand. Jimin flinched. Yoongi, relax. It's me, Jimin. Sorry, I am done. Just thinking something. Yoongi, is something bothering you, Jimin? No, Yoongi. Then let's go. They must be waiting. They must be waiting for us, for you. Jimin nodded and about to go. Yoongi held his hand. Yoongi, you are looking beautiful. Jimin looking down. Hi, hi. Imagine it's night time. They reach on the venue. Jimin, I don't expect this much good decoration from Jungkook. Me too, he said while showing his boxes smile, and JK looked at him with done face. Jimin turned and sees his best friend who is looking like an angel. Jimin, happy birthday. Tay, many many happy returns of the day. Tay, thank you so much. Jimin, always be happy. Yoongi, happy birthday. Taeyang. Tay, thank you. Thanks Yoongi. To Jimin, you know our colleagues is also here. Jimin, you call them. Jimin asked him, being confused. He thought don't call them. Yeah, come meet with them. They are waiting for you, especially Subin. Jimin, you are his, not me, okay? So he must be waiting for you. Tay, let's go. They both go and they don't know their don't like. Yoongi and Jungkook went to the counter and started there and staying there. Jimin smiled. Jimin, you also Subin. Wow, I think you are happy with your Jimin. Of course, I am. I am the world luckiest person. I get Min Yoongi Subin. Wow, I see. But look at me. I am here in my birthday. After knowing he's still his man now. Jimin, oh, don't feel sad. He make a cute pouch and women chuckle to see him. They don't know someone staring them with their dark eyes. So how is your life going? I'm happy, Jimin. And what do you think I need to tell you? Why no way, Jimin? Why I miss you so much. Why? Oh, Jimin, I just lost your number. So sorry, Jimin. It's alright. I am so happy to meet you again. Yoongi see Jimin, someone he don't like. He tightened the grip around the glass. Why? So what's going on, buddies? Why you still? Yoongi, come in the for 1 minute, Jimin. I will tell you. Jimin look at Yoongi who is staying him with this Tae see Jungkook. He gulp and then look at Yoongi. He's making hold Jimin hand. Jimin, what? Tae, let's do dance. Tae, me, Subin and Wan and Jimin. Jimin, no way. He eats me. Wan, it's alright. Nothing happened. I am like your nonna. Jimin, he don't know Tae. It's alright, Jimin. It's alright, Jimin. JK is also staying with. This is the right time. Jimin is on the stage. Yoongi and Jungkook look at each other, and then on the stage with their foreign eyebrow. Subin hold tape bias. They start to moving according to the tone. Same goes to Jimin and Wan. Wan, don't try Jimin. It's really fun to make him. Jimin, you don't know. He Wan who's about to fall Subin hold and and hold Jimin hand. Jimin look at Chungi eyes. He got so scared. Jimin closes his eyes. He suddenly feel himself in the air. Open his eyes and see Yoongi is taking him. JK went to him and hold a hand. Take cookie. He said in low voice, stay hold the and cut the cake. JK, thank you so much, guys. Party is over now. You all go. Tae and Jungkook enter in the room. Tae Cookie, his voice is so low. JK close to him and looking down. JK up. JK, watch Cookie. Tae, I promise I didn't do anything intentionally. JK, oh really? Then that's my plan to make me and Jungi. Tae is widen. Tae, how you know, JK? I think you forget who I am. I know everything. Still looking down to Cookie. Actually, JK, no more words. Congratulations, you win in your work. He said until look at him with his big blue eyes. Tay means JK. Yoongi take Jimin in his room. He leave him and Jimin sit on the bed. Jimin looking down, playing with his fingers. Yoongi is too. Yoongi, I bear you are doing prank on me, but what is this? How dare she? What is my Jimin tightly closes his eyes. He know how much Yoongi is for him, and now all this Yoongi, and you let him, huh? Let her, huh? Jimin, it's not like that, Yoongi. Jimin also stand up. Jimin, you know, it's all prank. Jungi, I know from very start, but I stay silent. I thought to let you do whatever you want, but you did this. Jimin, I swear I don't know Nona do this. She's like my Nona. Jimin, I'm sorry if I, Jungi, huh? He hold him. Jungi, you give me the chance. Balance. Where is the Jimin Yoongi, not today. It's your, you make me, Jimin Yoongi, just one thing. Uh, Yoongi, who said you tease me, huh? Jimin, it's stay plan, Yoongi. Oh, really? And you agree? Jimin looking down. Jimin, what I do? He didn't ready to listen me. Yoongi, and what you do now because I'm not ready to listen you. Jimin, show him his puppy eyes. Yoongi, I don't give any guarantee. Jimin is really scared. Huh, it's all a plan. Okay, Jimin first don't understand what to do and then again Jimin, Jimin, I don't give. Jimin opened his eyes and see Yoongi is staring him. Jimin remember. He looked into another side. Yoongi, what happened? Jimin, go away from me. Yoongi, I'm sorry if I try my best to be with you, but when I saw you, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Jimin, you still look. Jimin still look into another side with the power. Jungi, sorry. Jimin heard his voice. Jimin look at him with Jungi looking down. Jimin, Jungi, what happened? Jungi, I'm sorry for you and I. Jimin, and it's not like Annie. It's not like that. It's just I am scared and all of a sudden Jungi. Sorry, Jimin. No, sorry. Go and make breakfast for me. Give me something to eat. Yoongi chuckle and nodded. Yoongi, you take some rest. I will be back in some minutes. Jimin go and go. Jimin smile and hide his face. in his blanket. Finally, the end. Okay, so hope so you all like. If you like, then subscribe, then also tell me in comments. Bye bye, take care of yourself, Sange.